chilling. Got the car unloaded, going through tech right now. And Steven and Hannah are not here yet, so I'm having to do all this work. Me and Jeff are. Get it through tech so that we can get ready to make some passes tomorrow. That's pretty much all we're gonna do tonight. Is this supposed to be like a Windex commercial? You trying to get sponsored by Windex now?
Windex. You know, they don't do them commercials with the crows running into the windows no more. That was hilarious. I bet that was offensive to people that like birds.
It's probably racist because it was always black birds. You never saw any white doves flying into them. We're not racist though, but we do support Windex.
Cleans the goop off your firewall there.
Yeah, when you have an LS engine, it blows a lot of goop all over the place. So
you getting goop on the firewall, you ain't running fast enough.
Okay, I guess we're gonna run pretty fast then.
Yeah.
Hey.
We're gonna get the. We're gonna be the guy that goes to the staging lanes with stickers on his tires. We're about to get some new tires. Old tires. Hey, they'll be for sale.
All right, good deal on them.
We'll put the link in the bio.
We're putting a link in the bio to like a for sale ad of used tires.
Yes.
Of used tires.
Good tires.
It's pretty lame.
Maybe you'll have a fan that just really wants them, like for their garage, like you guys do.
No,
you know,
I mean, like you can race
you
them.
hang up.
Well, we run the wrong engine to have fans. We don't have fans.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we just have haters. So
Maybe our haters on.
Yeah, we'll sell some tires to some haters.
Like Jonathan.
Maybe Jonathan
Maybe
needs some
he
tires. Yeah. No, but Steven's tires are about wore out, so we're gonna go to the Mickey Thompson trailer. They're gonna swap them out for us with some new tires. We're getting rid of the Hoosiers and putting some good Mickey Thompsons on.
I'm on the other side of the thing changing my tire. Is this against the rules? It's tight quarters in here.
Gonna be disqualified, sir.
I don't know how I'm supposed to stay over there though. They are still very sticky. Sorry, Hoosier. You never give us a sponsorship. Going back to Mickey Thompson. They didn't give us a sponsorship either, but they're better. So,
Okay.
it's all Cracker Barrel. If you're watching this, you're next. You don't give us a sponsorship,
We'll never eat there again.
going Bojangles.
On Tuesdays. We'll still eat there on Saturdays.
Yeah.
The 1306 at the moment. So a 1072 is actually the 31st spot. Both these cars making their first run of the weekend, trying to get inside.
Tires have been hard to get. Not here though. They got plenty of them.
Yeah. They've got a whole trailer full of them.
Yeah, it's like you thought they weren't even being made right now or something. But
They're all just, they're all just in that trailer.
we'll take them.
We're trying to get inside of that.
Really, the only reason we put these Hoosiers on this car was
So 870 goes
because
number
the
14
Mickey
for
Thompsons
Tim
were
Minsker.
back ordered at
Not
that
a bad
time about a
first
year
attempt
ago.
to get into the field.
And
Daniel Simmons.
these tires are kind of a lot different than a regular radial. They're almost like a radial on top and a slick on the side.
Currently
Which was
outside
nice.
looking in.
It worked good.
Yeah, it worked out all right. But we're gonna try the.
Hey, throw a picture up right now of the wrinkle, the tire
Not
wrinkle.
the ball.
Oh, okay. I'll put that picture right there.
There.
We got any good pictures of it?
Yeah.
Okay. All
It's
right.
all.
We're gonna get these tires swapped out.
Trying to go quicker than.
I got the new tires.
You shut your mouth. Stickers on her tires.
Hey, big shout out to the guys at Mickey Thompson Trails.
Yeah.
They had to work really hard on these because the valve stems wouldn't seal up, and they cut us a deal.
Hey.
They were happy that we were switching from Hoosier to Mickey Thompson. So.
Yeah. Most of this time.
Your tires got stickers on them?
No, I turned my CO2. Those wheels look good. Almost as good as you.
That's a challenge right there.
Yeah. Put like 15 ooga doogas on the lug nuts, but Dad said torque them down. So
I'm sorry, what was that?
you don't know what ooga doogas are?
I don't.
Well, it's got 15 on them.
Okay.
Multiple gauge rods using the weather-resistant tactile side buttons that work even with racing gloves on. No matter the ECU, no matter the
How's it going?
Great.
Great.
Yeah.
First pass with new tires, new turbos.
More to go.
You think it's gonna go?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see how these new Mickey Thompsons do.
$7.99.
$7.99 on this pass?
Yeah, straight off the trailer. Oh no, not straight off the trailer. For me.
Yeah, for you. I don't know if I put a $7.99 tune-up in it.
Well, why not? We're at World Cup.
Well, we just need to qualify first.
With a $7.99.
Okay, I hope it goes to $7.99.
Scramble button work?
It does, actually.
Okay. If I can remember, I'll hit it.
Okay. Well, good luck.
We still got oil pressure. Oh, I've never done a wheelie before. And that was a big one. Holy cow. Wow. Oh. Oh. Whew.
So you all know that it is not a race day with these boys unless there's a car being worked on after a run. So check it out.
You measure the other leg or the other thing?
This one over here?
Yep.
What are we doing here?
Hey,
Well, see, done that big wheelie.
wheelies are really cool,
Yeah.
but man, they break a lot of stuff.
The car was not happy. It came back down. It's like, ah, and
He's holding one eye closed.
it's like, what's going on? I can't see. Yeah, this over here is all. It busted out. Busted all that out. It only had one eye.
Oh,
We'll put the picture in here of what it looked like when it first happened.
Yeah. The track official told me just put a patch over it like it's a pirate.
Got some duct tape.
Just patch this over.
Yeah.
Right here.
are y'all cold?
It's a little niggly. We're
I'm
inside.
shaking.
Well, it'd been cool if we would have got a heater. We could have heated this thing.
How about you just start the car?
And we'll just pass out. You want to sleep here tonight?
We'll be warm.
Okay, so repairing this, any other repairs to be had?
Yeah, we're gonna put another catch can on the car because
We exceeded the one catch can power limit. Evidently, those big horsepower guys have 2 catch cans, or a really big one.
yeah
We have a small one.
and we had one line that was kind of kinked and we didn't know it, so it kind of put a lot of oil in the catch can because that line was kinked. So we're gonna fix that. But yeah, the car just run at 821, I think it was, at 169 mile an hour.
Yeah.
Steven let off to get down from the wheelie.
Now you can't say I let off.
You let off and got right back in it.
It was like when you look on a log, it was like the littlest, tiny little blip.
Anyway, he let off. The car scrubbed the ground really hard. And that was with 10 pounds less boost in it than what we had in it in Florida. But these new turbos are VS. They're really making some steam.
They're ready to party.
Yeah, so
That was a new personal best, right?
Yes.
it's a new personal best, yeah.
With low boost.
Low boost. I took timing out of it. I took about a degree of timing out of it
Just
across
leave
the
that
board.
out of it.
Yeah, I'll probably leave that out. And I took 10 pounds of boost out of it. And yeah, it might run 7 this next pass.
Let's do it.
We'll see.
Okay.